All right, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to Philo in the Philippines. I just got out of the Tuesday live chat, which was super fun. We had a great time. Had almost 40 people in there at one point, which is good. It's good for my channel anyway. Got a little weird there for a few minutes, but you know, that's bound to happen when you're a vlogger and you're putting your life out there. People are going to criticize you for it, whether it be good or bad, just the way it is. There's no hard feelings. To the comment that was made, and you know, maybe there's some accuracy to the comment that was made too. Who knows? Only time will tell, right? Anyway, before we start part 2 of baptism, birthday party, and barangay party, I wanted to give you guys a couple of more Tagalog words. Again, we are expanding our Tagalog vocabulary, and it's kama for bed, Celia for chair. You got that? Okay, don't forget later on when we get about a 100 word vocabulary, we're going to go back and we're going to bring our Tagalog phrases in and make complete sentences. If you are new to the channel and want to learn Tagalog, go back about a month and you'll see a complete Tagalog phrase review so you can catch up with us, okay? Thanks for joining our channel. Thanks for the support. We really appreciate it. Philo in the Philippines, North Caloocan City, where the city meets the province, baby. Yeah. All right, until the next one.
Happy birthday, Eliza!
Hi, Eliza! That's live. Happy birthday!
Just a video. Wow, what a big day you're having. My goodness. So much happening in one day. Hi, Nicole.
Hi, welcome.
All right, guys. What we're going to do now is, because our plate is just a little bit too full, Johnny B and I are going to stay here at the birthday party. And we're going to start drinking some Emperador. Mom and the kids are going to go home and go to the barangay holiday party. Melanie's going to take the GoPro with her and she's going to vlog the barangay party so we can keep this video going, okay? The party's good. It's fun. We need to get some Emperador in us and start drinking, and then it'll really get fun. More later. More later, and Melanie is going to continue the rest of the vlog. Thanks for watching, you guys. Next thing that you're going to see is the barangay holiday party.
Si Kuya. Akala ko Kuya. Harold. Kumusta naman? Huwag ka mag-music kasi sa ako. Pangalan? Harold. Ano pangalan ako lang mo, Harold? Simon. Oh, very good yung ginagawa na Simon. Nagdadala ng barko. Nagdadala ng barko. Di ba nanginis na? Simon eh. Ha? Oh, naglinis na? Kwarto. Kwarto. Oh, bigyan mo ng pressure. Alkal siya. Oh, ito ng alkal siya. Okay guys, next bring me. Bring me. O, una-una mapagdala sa akin ha. Driver license, go! Daddy! Oh, bigyan sa mga walang price, sa mga walang price. Daddy! Daddy, ano na? Daddy! Daddy! Oh, ito na si Itlog. Sorry, joke lang yun. Daddy mo to? Okay. Hoy! Asa ba yung sako? Asa ba yung sako? May sako kayo? Yung may birthday muna. Okay na kayo na bumaba. Yung may birthday muna paabot natin. Baka bawi-bawi mo lang. Hoy, mga bata lang muna. Mamaya yung mga nandaki. Ano ba dapat? Oh, galing-galing si Kapitana, oh. Oh, tabi mo na kami. May hindi mga bata malilit, ha? Oo, wala pa. Sikat buhay na, tayo magaw na. Teka lang, wala mo na makakaw. Ako ko mas dami, oh. Oh, yan. Aba, kailangan. O, tingnan mo, walang patawad, do. O, sinabi mo na marami na. Uy, naku, bigyan mo naman ito, umiiyak mo.
Sendo lang.
Ano mga price? Ano mga pagkain, diba?
Oo, dyan. Nakatiro lang ako.
Nang siya nandun.
Pa-premium.
Siya na sa bahay.
Si Bandor siya.
Ay, bubuhat daw ko. Dito.
Ano na si Rere? Wow, si Rere nandyan pala.
Binibidyo ko lang. Ay, matagal na po ako umuwi. Ayan. Binibidyo ko lang. Our president, Joey Boy.
Goodbye, President.
Goodbye agad.
Ay, pumirma ka daw.
Tita Pet!
Everyone need to sign for attendance and also for the raffles.
Dito mo ihulog ha, wag dito. Ay, bigyan mo natin yung nakahulog.
There's a lot of giving away
Kasalanan ako.
for everyone.
Special.
Ito, 39.
Love story. So, araw nyo? Ginagawa mo sa buko. Waiting. Alam mo yun? Puyok sa'yo.
Okay, Moray.
Over 8.
Sige, kung sino na lang unang makakaubos. Sino lang unang makaubos, sige. Ayun si ano.
Ay, ang bilis mo. Tapos na siya.
Ano bang ano mo?
Yuri.
Nanalo.
Ah.
Eh, lahat ng mga pitik. Oo, lahat ng mga kapitik.
Lahat na mga, paikutin na yan.
Dapat mabilis siya. Bilis siya. Bilis. Oo, dapat
Tatlo, tatlo.
mabilis.
1, 2.
Takbo, takbo, takbo.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Next, next. Mag-iya ka.
5 ha?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 5. Okay. Oh, 1. Ay, ito, 1. 2. 2-1. Okay, 3-1. Bigay mo yung 20. Diyan ka muna.
Wala ka ng 20.
Alin na ito. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. Isa lang. 1. 2. 2-1. Okay. Sa kanya yung 3.
Ay, lahat sinanalo dito. Lahat sinanalo.
Kayong dalawa.
Halika rito. Okay, pick. 1. Ay, 1. Tama. Isa pa. On. 2-1. Last. Sige pa. Oy, ulit. Okay, 3-1. Bigyan mo siya.
Bibidyo ako eh. O, dito ako.
Nestor Siang. Electric van from Mayor Oka. Ang sumunod na nagwagi. Mary Paz Agustin. Welcome through. Ito oo nga. Ito, may kwento kay Tita Paz. Si Sister Paz, hindi namin siya kinokolektahan ng monthly dues kasi sa kanya nakakonect yung submeter. Kaya sabi ko, kahit hindi siya nagma-monthly dues, ilagay natin sa special. Miss-come to talaga yun kanya. Thank you, Tita Paz. Ang kasunod ay si Ate Agnes de Dios. Yan, ang sipag niyan. Pag nagpalabas sa bahay, kasama na yung bayad sa monthly dues. Deserve talaga. Ay nako, nag-basketball. Okay, dun na po.